Hello everyone, welcome back. If you try to purchase anything from the App Store in iPhone, the iPhone says your purchase could not be completed, then do the following steps. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. The first and basic method is we are going to launch settings. Here we have to tap on screen time and tap content and privacy restrictions and enable content and privacy restriction, and next to the content and privacy restriction we are going to tap iTunes and App Store purchases. Here under iTunes and App Store purchases we will see three options. The third one is in-app purchases, and make sure that allow is selected. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then move to some other solutions. The second one is launch App Store. Now tap on your profile icon in top right corner. Now tap on your profile ID. On that page, that we will see the country and region. Now tap change country or region and select your current location. After that, go back and tap on manage payment and add your payment. If already added, then delete the payment and re-add the payment method. In the end, now what we have to do, launch settings and tap general and tap date and time, and make sure that set automatically is enabled, and also check the software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.